Hello and welcome to No Nomad. I am Curse, and I'm here with a unboxing of a new project I got in the post last night, and this is MotoPegs from LoneRiders. So in this video I'm gonna show you the unboxing of the MotoPegs. I'm gonna show you how to put them on, and I'm gonna take them for a test drive, and I will show you how they work in real life. I got a BMW 850 GS, and the pegs they come with is so small and uncomfortable to use, and when you fill a little bit of gasoline and you're gonna go up onto the bike, it's easy to slide off. So I bought this new MotoPegs in hope of a better ride. So let's start unboxing this. Maybe I should brought a knife. Well, lucky for me, I have my equipment with me here, and I always have my Leatherman, and it's handy sometimes. This is how it looks like when it comes in a box. So let's open it up. Okay. Scan with phone, camera for instructions. Okay. And oh, this looks so nice. Okay, so in the box, check this out. The new LoneRider MotoPegs. And these are over twice as big as the one I have. Nice. Very nice. So it comes with two, one on each side. And let's see what more is in here. Okay, so we got some springs and some rubber thingies, some equipment. Okay, so it comes with tools. That's cool. And you got some LoneRider stickers, and you actually have two Q-tip. I don't know if they want me to clean my ears, but this is nice. Okay, so that's everything what's in the box. So up next is mounting this to the bike. So that's gonna be the first one for me. So see you soon. Foot peg here, that gotta go off. So underneath I gotta take off the pin. So first we gotta take off this little pin here. Then we gotta okay, so the spring went out. Okay, so now it's on, and it turns just a little bit on medium. Yeah, this looks nice. A little bit of struggle to get on, but not too much. And now it's kind of easy. If you want to go off-road, you step on this and do some normal driving, put it back on, and it fits perfectly. Nice.
Okay, so I'm kind of lucky today. It's a nice weather out, so it's a perfect day to test out my new MotoPegs, which I installed yesterday. And getting on and off the bike was very easy, and it gives a totally different feel. I actually feel a bit safer because it's not that easy to slip off the pegs. So let's see if I stand up. Yeah. Nice, very nice. Okay. So now the rubber is off, and I'm only standing on a teat. And let me tell you, this feels really good. This is such a big difference. Changing gears is a bit more difficult now. So I actually might need an extension for the gear. And these pegs are also adaptable, and standard setting, factory setting was medium, and it fits me perfectly. It feels like it moves just a little bit. Yeah, and I cannot wait until taking the bike off-road and testing these pegs on an uneven surface. Because I feel they are so nice to stand on. So what do I feel about these MotoPegs? I feel they are very comfortable, makes me feel safer. They are adjustable. They are very easy to put on. Yeah, I can't think of one thing that's negative about these foot pegs.